Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video I'll be talking about confidence intervals. So here I have my notes for the confidence interval, and the concept says that nothing in the universe is certain, is 100% sure. So we can't be sure about anything 100%, right? So if we let's say if we are telling someone about your height or weight or any measurement, right? So you shouldn't be saying that I'm 5.6 or 5.6 tall, or about your weight that I'm 60 kgs or whatever, right? But what you should say is that there is 95% chance that my exact height lies between a range of 5.4 and 5.5. It's if it's 5.6, right? So this is the right way to talk about something in the stats or the mathematics, right? And or we can just grasp this or this concept in another way, that uh, I am 95% confident. This is in the case of 95% confidence interval, that my height lies between 5.4 and 5.8. So this is the concept, and now let's concrete this concept by a better example with the stats, right? So we have students in the class and their marks. So teacher did an exam, and we got their marks as a list, right? Now the average marks of student, if you have to report as a data scientist, right? So you shouldn't be saying that the average marks are like 80% or whatever it is, right? But you should say that in the terms of confidence interval, that it's between a range of 75 and 90, right? Okay, so that's the uh, example and the concept. You can just read it out. These notes will be in the description. Now let's talk about coding, how we can code this in Python. So these are the data, right? These are the, let's say, marks, percentages of student in a class. So 5 student, 5 marks, or 6, whatever they are, right? Now we are just printing the if we see here, it's printing the mean of this data. So average student or average marks of the student are 75% or 0.75, right? But we can report this mean in the terms of 95% confidence interval as using quantile, and this will be 25 and 975, and what it will give you is two values, right? So first will be 0.74, and the second is 0.77. So it's the lower bound, it's the upper bound, and we can just represent our average marks that it lies between this range, right? And the other way of finding these confidence interval is using the spicy SciPy, right? SciPy and this library for the stats, and you can just use it to find with the interval function, and confidence takes a value for whatever your confidence interval finding of, like 90%, 95, or and even 97 or 9, right? Then your data, and in what terms you are finding the confidence interval. We are finding it with the mean or the average, right? So we say that, and then we just hit it, and you are seeing that we are getting the exact, almost exact values, right? So these both methods can be useful when you are finding the confidence intervals. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will meet you in another video. Thanks for watching.